Look who it is. It's RJ. Hey, how you doing today, RJ?
I'm so good.
Oh, okay, good. Today, what are we doing?
I'm drawing. Brown.
What are you making?
And red. And orange. And yellow.
Oh, wow. So what is that?
A volcano.
Awesome. That's awesome. All right, what else can you draw?
I could draw French fries.
French fries. Awesome. Let's take a look. RJ is going to draw French fries, ladies and gentlemen. Look how neat his art is.
Yeah.
Is that the box?
Yes, that is.
Oh, cool.
And now yellow.
This is kind of cool. RJ is drawing French fries, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, cool. French fries! All right, what's next?
Hamburger.
Oh, next RJ is going to draw a hamburger. He's thinking.
I got bread.
Okay, RJ is drawing the bread first.
I'm making tomato.
All right, now he's gonna add tomatoes to the bun. And now he's adding lettuce.
I got cheese.
Now RJ is adding cheese. Okay,
I love the bun.
and now he's gonna put the second bun. Oh, this is cool. And that's the second bun. Yeah, good job. RJ is gonna draw lemonade. So what's that?
That's a box of lemonade.
Oh, so okay, all right. We're just watching. RJ is a great artist. Okay,
And now a straw.
now he's gonna add the straw.
And now I'm gonna draw the
Now he's gonna add the what?
drinks.
He's gonna add the lemon juice, right?
I like the lemon juice.
This is awesome. Look how awesome his art is. Oh, look at that. What a masterpiece. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Awesome. All right, so Daddy wants to give you a really big challenge. Can you draw a fire truck?
Yes.
Let's see. RJ is going to attempt to draw a fire truck.
And I can draw a fire truck.
All right, and now here is the fire truck.
That's the grill.
The grill. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's orange. Grill. This is the top.
Okay.
The side.
Yeah, we need the side of the fire truck. Correct.
Yes, we need the side of the fire truck.
Oh, wow. This is really coming together nicely. I was a little nervous, but now I see where you're going with this. This is coming out to be really nice.
But the fire truck.
Oh, okay. And what part is that?
And it's the tanks.
Oh, the tanks.
The tanks are in the fire truck.
Oh, okay.
So we need the tubs to get in.
Oh, yeah. How do you get into your fire truck?
Windows.
Okay. Can we see the windows? Oh, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The windows. RJ draws. He's such a great artist. Oh, this is awesome. And where is the fire?
The fire's up here.
Oh, can we see? Draw the fire in. That's a good idea. It looks like a tree is on fire.
Yes, there's a tree at the fire.
Oh, see? I get it now. So you have a tree that's on fire. And what about the water to put the fire out?
Okay. Yes. I'm going to the tank, then to put the water out.
So now RJ is drawing the water hose, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow, this is RJ's fire truck. Beautiful work.